Hi Capricorn, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies that are in front of me through the tarot cards. This is for the collective of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. You can watch this reading. Anyone having double placement of Capricorn can also watch it. This will be applicable to them. So what is around you in your environment is the King of Pentacles. Either you are dealing with another King of Pentacles, could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, another one, or this is you. You will have the necessary determination or the power to stabilize your economy and your life at this time. So you will feel confident, you will feel rooted and grounded, and also you will be able to attract new situations of stability in your life. Why I am saying new stability is because you have gone through the ten of swords. So 10 of swords means that some karmic ending has already taken place. You were feeling low, you were feeling down, you were feeling defeated, but with the advice of someone, the Hierophant energy, could be a Taurus or someone around you, this situation is getting better and you are feeling centered, and you have decided to take the approach which is conventional, that is with in alliance, in association with companies, association with your knowledge, your whatever you have gathered on your path of or your quest in your economy or your relationship. You could be going with the community, going with the family at this times. With the Page of Cups, you will receive some new information or you will get some message of improvement. But what's happening this week is the Justice and the Tower. So Justice and the Tower here tells us, clarified by Justice and the Queen of Pentacles, tells us that you are going through a situation in your life which is with a surprise jolt or a jerk, is reminding you of your karma. So some karmic mistakes in the past, some decisions that were false, or someone around you who is false, there is going to be an energy like that, and that will be brought to the fore. And with the Tower, you will experience a jolt, a shock, a dissension, disruption in your environment and in your situation. However, with the Justice present here, whatever may come to you, there is going to be a balancing out of the power or your life. So basically, things will come back to normal, things will come back to some kind of balance, but it can make a painful loss, or it can redistribute energies in your situation. This can also mean that a division in family, division in your work environment or business can take place. So a decision like a divorce, separation, end of job, or finding a new job can happen. A division or a fault line can occur at this time. However, you will be going through this with patience and planning. That is what I see with the Seven of Pentacles. This is patience and planning. You are going to go through this conflict or defeat that you are seeing in front of you with patience and planning. You are troubled by deception and envy at this point. So 7 and 7 with the 5 energy is troubling you, but you are going to evaluate the situation, you are going to make your strategic planning, and you are going to deal with this deception and envy of someone. This person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or any situation through which you are making your way out in this time period. So with the third eye chakra, it is asking you to see things beyond your what you can see right now. So this is the energy between your eyebrows and the upper part of nose, the upper bridge of nose. This is the third eye chakra. Meditate, concentrate on this point to understand what is happening with you and align all your chakras, because all your chakras in your body has to align. So align every force, observe, feel, say, and beware or be aware and be alert, and you will be able to see more. That is what angels are saying. So increase your awareness in this time period. Your new beginnings are coming to you with the new beginning card, and the triumph will happen. So chariot is coming to you. So you have to make up your mind which path to take, what to do, and what is the correct thing to do in this time period, because I am seeing the Hierophant in your environment. Proper messages, knowledge, advice will come to you. So the knowledge will come to you. You will get through this situation. The karmic division is happening and it is for the best. So in your relationship, what is happening? You have gone through a heartbreak situation, a setback or a loss in the recent past, and this is with the Queen of Swords. This could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy or any other energy. This energy is of a woman who is very, very strict, or who has clearly stated their position to you, and they have spoken the truth, and that is breaking your heart. In this time period, angels are asking you to see beyond your current situation, because stars are guiding you away from this person, or asking you to listen to this person if you have made some past mistakes with this person, or you have been targeting, or you have been targeted. So basically you have to see through this. Have hope in a situation. If you need, you can move beyond this and move beyond this heart setback, this heartache. And angels are saying very soon, with the Chariot and the Sun energy, things will become totally clear to you. You are going to recover wherever you are. You are going to get back to joy, happiness, satisfaction, and beautiful energies will pervade your being if you keep having hope for the future. The Chariot and the Sun is arriving, because what is coming to you is a sense of healing which will come to you with the Empress energy. Empress is going to bring back your health, it is going to bring back your abundance, it is going to launch you into a new situation, because where you were, it was ridden with Seven of Swords energy, deception and envy, and Five of Pentacles, someone ignoring you, someone giving you a hard time, a situation giving you a sense of lack. So you were in this period and this situation that was giving you heartbreak, but with the Empress energy, things are going to move into a direction where long-term stability, appreciation of beauty or beauty love is arriving. It is all about growth. It is all about the mother energy of nurturing and caring for a new situation. And from that old situation that was not giving you anything, Page of Pentacles is arriving. Page of Pentacles will give you a new promise, new opportunity, new path, a situation where you start once again. And with the Six of Swords, any difficulty that you were going through, you are going to take yourself out of that. The universe will support you in this, and they will take you towards the peaceful situation. So right to peaceful situations will be provided to you, Capricorn. If you are going through the problem, let me tell you, in your relationship situation, if you are going through any problem, the star, the sun, and the chariot is arriving. Chariot is, if you are determined, if you are aligned, if you are patient, if you are focused, you will reach where you want to reach. With the sun, joy, happiness, success will come to you. Bask in its glory. Clarity will come to you. With the star energy, have hope. It is all coming to you. So use your logic in a situation. That is what angels are saying. Speak up if it is required in a situation. So the tower and the justice which is happening is about a fault line, a conflict, a problem in your life, but justice is arriving. So tower and justice is arriving for you. So tower and justice came for you, and now justice is arriving for you, and you will balance out this division in your life, this disruption in your life, and things will again fall into balance. So what is happening in terms of your work? In terms of your work, you are more guarded or protected than your personal life situation. It is going through a big transformation which is coming with a surprise event. So in your work, what I am seeing is Ace of Cups, Three of Wands. You can expect the best energies to come to you. New sensation, new, feelings, new offer will come regarding your work. Professionally, you will feel more expectant in this time period. However, there is a high priestess energy. So high priestess energy could be some things are still not revealed, some situations are still unknown, but have this energy of expectation. The gatekeepers will open the gate, and there is going to be a 99.9% success or recovery that is coming to you. With the Ace of Cups, you will see this new offer. With the Eight of Pentacles, very soon you will embrace new work and start working hard for that. So efforts are going to be made, or efforts are being made to get to a situation which will be good for you in terms of your money, career, finance, or education, and that is going to come to you. Keep doing the effort, and I am sure Capricorn keeps doing the effort. They are the most hardworking people I have known. So you might be doing good work in this time period. Expect the best results. So what is coming to you is you will get through this period of Tower with justice. Things are not going to change immediately because there is some stalling situations, but angels are saying triumph will come to you. You just have to organize in this time period to get through this by opening your third eye, see beyond your current situation. So let's read out. So Six of Swords coming again as your outcome. So you are definitely moving on, but this Six of Swords is not a very fast movement. Six of Swords is moving on. So moving on is slower than moving away. So basically it will take some time to get yourself out of these sticky waters, but you'll be doing fine. But the provision of the universe is there. You will be guided safely out of this sticky situation. So let's read out the Astro Star Codes card for you. The Chiron is with you. It is right now in Aries, or it will it is in Aries, and you will be it is your fourth house. So fourth house is all about ancestry, home environment, etc. It is asking you to. So Chiron is the planet of healing. So Chiron is often referred to as the wounded healer archetype, named after a mythological wise centaur who trained heroes and was accidentally wounded by Hercules with a poisoned arrow. So this is the card of Chiron, which is saying that you will heal. So action of this card or this energy is to find purpose in your problems. Hard earned wisdom is now relevant and needed. You don't have to assign casualty. You may never know why you went through a difficult time, but you can put what you learn from it to good use. So the challenge of this situation is that you can set off touchy memories or poke you, something can poke you where it still hurts. It is like the shrapnel that can hurt as much coming out as it goes, as it does going in. Take this opportunity to heal so those old places can transform. The gift of this Chiron energy is allow the pain and troubles of the past to become the wisdom and compassion of the present moment. So what you are going to go through is some kind of wisdom that you are getting through judication or counseling. Some of you, yes, I forgot to tell you, justice is coming twice. This can be some of you going through the court situation, you know, a lawyer could be giving you advice, a banker could be giving you advice, a doctor could be giving you advice for a final situation. So justice is all about court matters, all about those things that bring finality to situations. So whether it is property, whether it is a divorce, whether it is a marriage, whether it is a love situation where marriage has to happen, or whether it is a treatment from a doctor, or it is a banking or money situation, you will get the advice in this time period. You could be going through concern, you could be going through a sense of lack, but with a false person in this time period, you could be going through these things, but gift from the universe is coming. The blessing, the gift, the thing that you require might come in with this gift. So angels are saying keep your hopes up in this time period. Triumph is definitely coming. Moving on from a situation is definitely coming. Justice or karma justice for you will definitely happen, but there is definitely a separation, deception from deception, separation in a situation. There is some fault line in a relationship or a partnership in this time period, so that will be realized. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any difficulty can write to me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. My email ID is there in the description box just below this video, so you can write to me, or you can keep watching this space for more guidance and knowledge about your future. This channel is called Tarot Priestess 1313, and keep watching and keep seeing. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get your readings on time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.